Nope, before we do that, legendary lock squash. Let's see. Outhouse, we changed what we got. Lock squash, we keep what we got. Keeping what we got. All right, now for the day. 8, wild card. Straight out of my trunk is this no brand, no name. Doesn't even say made in China on it. Like, it's the most nameless, faceless. It only says hardened on the shackle. That's all we get. That's all we get. Big mystery lock. Don't imagine it's going to be tough. Perhaps a different tensioner, huh? More traditional style. And also, perhaps, more traditional rake. Interesting. Oh, there we go. Just wasn't putting enough pressure on the cord. No name, no country of origin, no brand. It's kind of sad. So, I shall brand the Queen Greyhound lock. Now you have a name and you're pretty. And you're going in the box.